Temperature control. Posi-Temp valve helps maintain water temperature. Long-standing flexibility, built on the Moen M-PACT common valve system, allowing you to update the faucet style in the future without replacing any plumbing. Connection size, 1/2-inch IPS connections. Number of ports, 4. Original equipment manufacturer, authentic Moen replacement part. Installation tool included, plaster ground included to install the valve flush with the wall. Once installed, that is removed and thrown away. May vary in color from photograph. Built on the Moen M-PACT common valve system that allows you to make style updates anytime without replacing plumbing and equipped with Posi-Temp technology to maintain water temperature, the Moen Monticello Posi-Temp pressure balancing shower valve delivers generous water flow. The 4-port cycle valve also allows you to predetermine the hottest temperature setting before installation, while its 1222 cartridge accommodates back-to-back installations. Featuring 4 ports and durable brass construction, this valve meets ASSE performance requirements and is backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty against leaks, drips, and finish defects. Top reviews from the United States. Good product, fit and worked great. Customer service was excellent. They shipped a new unit out the same day. Unit was in good condition.